Hey guys, how you doing? Bit of lock picking today. We got a padlock here that a lot of my regular viewers will probably recognise. Comes with the Ruger handguns. It's quite a substantial, quite a tough lock. Has a rotating disc there to help and resist against being picked. But, let's see how it does. That's a pick I'm going to be using. Just a cheap pick set. There you go. Quite a useful little bit of knowledge to have, I think, getting into locks. This pick set here, I'll zoom in on it. Just a little cheap pick set, Majestic, made in USA, and other picks that'll come with it. You can make your own picks out of hacksaw blades and various other things, and the levers. I make these levers myself out of, when you change the windscreen wiper blades on your vehicle, pull the old one off and tear the rubber off, and it'll reveal a strip of stainless steel. And that's what this is. Very useful. Perfect for making the levers for picking. And if you've never picked a lock before, it's a good thing to just sit down and in front of the TV and practice. That's all it is, practice. Like a lot of things, you know. But it could get you out of trouble one day, even if it's just you've locked yourself out of something, your vehicle or your tool shed, or heaven forbid somebody locks you in somewhere. But it's a pretty good thing to know how to do. Like I say, just practice makes perfect. Not that I'm perfect by any means, but there you go. Like I say, this is really for beginners. You need two things. You need the lever and the pick. And the lever goes where you insert the key at the widest part. Mostly, you could go the other end, but in the widest part, and you just feel for the pins with your pick, and the pins are on springs, so you're just pushing each pin upwards until you get a sequence or the lock just pops. Well, there you go, just a quick video on something I think is kinda useful. If you're interested in more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. Alright, catch you later guys.